Accordingly, we said. You are appearing for whom?
I'm appearing for the
What we said, it will.
Accordingly.
Accordingly.
Well,
Right, we'll take up the application tomorrow.
and yes, and another thing, Malak, can you just excuse me, that the last line, that
Accordingly, that is what we said, it will.
Accordingly.
Accordingly.
well, if it is necessary, Malak,
That will clarify.
Malak,
Shall be postponed accordingly, we said. You are appearing for whom?
I'm appearing for the untainted
Those who were
candidates here.
selected and appointed only
Yes, Your Lord.
will be
So I'm
covered.
appearing for that category only. Unfortunately,
Then if you are selected and appointed, they are bound to allow you to participate.
there are.
You can't ask for
In which
postponement of
I'm
the
just
exam.
asking for my application and SLP also to be listed together because there's much which I have to show to
You
your
have
lordship
perhaps
state.
one SLP today or?
Malak, one SLP is today.
One SLP is there today.
I'll give the number.
Today, my lords.
Yes, one is there today.
Lordships,
That's
the
my SLP.
Yes.
problem is that the tainted students are also being given admit
No, no,
cards.
no, no,
I haven't
no.
got them.
We've already noted one
I have
order
got-
passed by the High Court
No,
in
no,
that Vivek Parya, that order had
Malak, we
been
are
filed.
not giving, we are not giving.
Therefore,
You
all
went before the High Court asking for that relief, but you got denied.
We have accepted, Malak, we have
therefore,
accepted.
I've filed your lordships an MA and an SLP. Your lordships may list
No,
it together.
we are
That's
going
all
to
I'm
keep
saying.
these matters pending, though they wanted Vivek Parya also to be disposed of,
Yes, Your Lord.
because we really suspect your bona fides. You're
Yes,
not being
your lordship
straightforward
says-
at all. Despite
Because
going
that
through this
is-
entire process, you still want to favor your
No,
blue-eyed
no,
boys.
no, after the division bench.
Why would you go before the High Court and ask for permission to allow the tainted candidates to appear
That is the point.
unless you have a vested
I
interest
will
there?
don't
Lordships
have.
proposes
No,
that
not
they
me, my lord.
dispose.
You went before the High Court,
But-
Ms. Dwivedi was there,
Yes, but-
perhaps you were not there on that day.
Malak,
The learned senior counsel who appeared in that matter showed us that order,
yes, is right.
and that does not reflect well upon you at all.
Malak, kindly excuse me, Malak. When the parent matter came, that
Vivek Parya.
Orudin,
Arunima Paul was
you
different.
dismiss that. But in that matter itself, our arguments have been recorded. Also for-
Arunima Paul was not a candidate who had been selected and appointed. Therefore, you can't equate these people with Arunima
No, I
Paul.
am not equating. I am not equating. But there they one judgment, Vivek Parya's judgment, in the case.
That's only an interim order, it's still pending.
Yes, Your Lord.
No, no, here, the main matter,
Or in the-
45-50, that has been, why 45?
We have only said that you will not apply that enhanced eligibility criteria.
No, we don't have.
Those who were selected and appointed who are to be permitted as per the concluding paragraphs in our judgment.
Not everyone has applied.
You said 2,000 candidates have not.
No,
come.
no, those who are
Lists
coming
are
to your
MA
lordship,
and our SLP.
The-
Those who
Those
are-
all the
choose not to come forward,
Yes,
very
Your
well.
Lordship,
So
there
let
was-
that-
well, those,
Record will show
may I,
If you have published the notice in newspaper,
may
and in spite of that, they don't want to come in for the
Well,
selection,
may-
perhaps those are
we have-
people who
we
have
have-
gone back
we
to
have
their old
given,
jobs.
we have given, if your lordship kindly just permit me to, just a little
We'll
suggestion.
hear you
No,
tomorrow.
one little
This
suggestion.
application will take it up tomorrow.
Yes,
and your lordships and
but another matter is,
my MA number.
Here to be listed
My lord.
tomorrow.
My
Your
lords,
lordships, I'm giving my MA.
but another matter is there.
Filed a fresh SLP.
Yes, your lordships against their orders only. And
The
your-
same
Yes,
judgment
your
also.
lordship, Same group.
And you are also selected and appointed candidate.
Yes, your lordships.
Very good.
and there is
Related.
Article 26 where untainted, selected, appointed.
You will be
teaching.
permitted to
Yes.
write the exam.
Yes. My lords,
But you can't ask for postponement of the exam. You can't ask for
no,
postponement
we are
of the
not asking,
exam.
where
We are
exactly.
keeping the matter pending.
We're exactly.
Tainted
what my lords-
candidates.
No sifting mechanism to weed out the tainted. The state has not arrived. We're only on that, my lords.
Very good. That
We're
we will
working on
keep a
that.
check on, let the
Yes.
selection go through.
Yes.
If you're able to
Yes,
show
ma'am.
that any tainted candidate has been selected again, you will
Ma-
face the music.
My lord, I can.
If you allow, you have the list of tainted candidates
Yes,
we have-
by the
we
CBI.
we are not.
If you are allowing any of those candidates to appear again,
But this-
take it from us. We will
But-
come down on you like a ton
But-
of bricks.
Just, my lord, kindly allow me. If this is the allegations are made,
This allegation
let them
is
show-
already borne out by your
let-
application
let
before the
them,
High
let
Court.
them so now.
Allow the tainted candidates to appear again.
Have not.
Why would you go before the High Court and even make such a prayer? Why would you do that? Once they have already been identified
The point was.
as tainted candidates,
the point.
you go before the High Court, file an application and ask for permission to allow them to write that.
Milord, the point was there. Just I will make my summation.
There is
I am
no
not supporting.
no justification for that
No, no,
at
I am
all.
not- I am.
Unless some minister wants some candidate.
No,
to
no, no,
appear.
I'm not supporting anything.
That is exactly what you're doing.
Cordialation, those who are handling the matter.
Anyhow, as we said, we are keeping a close watch on what you're
Yes,
doing.
yes, yes, yes.
Please be mindful
Please, please.
that we will
My lord, my lord.
definitely interfere
My
if you do this kind of
My lord.
tinkering again. You've already ruined the lives of these people. People are out on the roads. We are being blamed for your mess. Is that fair? The government, you're supposed to be a model citizen, and this is what you do? A selection process tainted because some minister wants his candidates to be there. Your God knows what else went on. But you are responsible for this entire selection going awry. No other,
My lord, we
Word
are
for it.
neither the state
all the authorities concerned, the board, the service commission, and the state government. All three are,
we are accepting that, whatever.
nothing more to be
My
said.
lord, we will also, my lord, one,
Very well, we'll take it up.
my lord, another one matter, that which was heard on Monday.
IA and the.
My lord,
SLP,
my lord,
yes.
one, my lord, kindly just, the Monday, the matter which was heard by your lordships, and notice a similar order, kindly let this come also tomorrow. Although I have not filed
Why
any,
should it come tomorrow?
along with this,
We've only given the same interim order in that.
same interim order, but that is the clarification which is.
Again, in that also you
That-
filed an IA.
No, I have not filed. I.
Then why should you?
Because
You took the trouble to file an IA in this. Why didn't you file it in that?
process of filing the IA, because this has just come on Monday, but it repeats the same order as Vivek Paras.
Very well, give that number also.
Well, I am trying to fight by itself to the IA, but if this number is we are giving, if it is there,
This last line doesn't really hold you to a mandate,
no.
which is how you're understanding it.
Yes, but for the all.
If you are able to entertain all the applications within time, and there is nobody who will come forward and say that I'm sorry, I ought to have been entertained, I have not been entertained, then of course it's a different matter. But if you've given time till 2nd September and you publish.
I will take all
notice in the newspapers.
Unfortunately,
There are
what's
only
happening
one-
is that our school exams, term exams are in September. So all of us who have to take the exam, your lordships, this is the reason why they are putting a particular date so that we can appear and we don't have time to appear.
No, 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 no.
So I'll show all this,
Teachers, you're
Yes.
already there.
show all this to your lordships.
We are not going to put off the exam.
No,
Be certain about that.
asking for that.
We've
but-
already said that this process has to be completed by
Absolutely,
31st
your lordships,
December.
every direction your lordships have.
We are not
they
going to
violated.
postpone the exam.
I'm not on that, your
You
lordships.
need to burn the midnight oil to prepare, so do it.
All that I'm saying, your lordships, is every direction that your lordships have given has been violated by them, which I will show tomorrow to your lordships. Yes, great.
Filed the IA for
But
this.
we don't-
directly.
We have to-
They have not. filed.
I and the-
It's 15 minutes.
Very grateful, your lordships.
83.
80.
Not on DC.